Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. And what are we going to unbox? This one. So before we do that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? This is what we are going to unbox for today. So let's open it, shall we? And for that I need a knife. So for today, my 101 ink. It's a good knife. Box cutter. Just kidding. Let's open this. We just need to cut this carefully because I don't want to cut myself. That would be stupid. Indeed. So we cut all the way around, and I believe that would be easy to open now. And it was easy to open. Okay. Paper we don't need. Some filling material. I don't need that either. So we put this box aside. And what's wrapped in this? Well, let's open it and see what we have. So much paper for a box. This is the Smith Wesson Professional Quality Tools. This is actually a boot knife, and that was a little bit of tape at the end. Cut that, open this, and let's empty. This is the Smith & Wesson 7.5 inch H.R.T dual edge boot knife. It comes with a nice plastic wrap around it, but the knife is here. And it comes with a little bag with a chain, so you can have it around your neck if you want to, but that's not interesting, okay? So it's the knife itself that is interesting, okay? Here we have it. Nice plastic molded sheath. It is durable. As far as I can see, but it is not Cytal or Kydex. It's not. It's another type of plastic. And you have the clip here for the boot. It's also made of plastic. I would expect a metal clip instead, but this seems to be pretty durable. This will probably not break, I hope. But let's take this beautiful blade out of the sheath. And it's pretty tight, okay? So you can't get it out that easy, okay? So I don't want to cut myself because that would be definitely stupid. It was really tight fit in this sheath, so we put this away for a moment. Here it is, and it's 440A stainless steel, and it says on the blade here, Smith Wesson H.R.T, and the blade itself is 8 centimeters long, so that's a decent length for the blade. A short blade, but it works. For a knife like this, it doesn't matter if it's longer or shorter. 8 centimeters will work perfectly. And it's some form of rubberized handle. It's some form of rubber, plastic molded around the knife. So, and you have a hole here so you can attach a lanyard, which can be really nice. On a small knife like this, well, I would not put a lanyard on it, but you can if you like to. So it's up to you how you want to do it. But overall, this knife is said to be razor sharp out of the box, and yeah, the tip is really sharp actually. Yeah, it's sharp. So I can use another paper for that. Yeah, I can use this paper, and I can use this paper and see how sharp this is. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that was not the best cut, but not the best cut. Okay, we changed direction then. Yeah. Yeah, it's sharp. It is. Oh yeah, it is definitely sharp. Oh yeah, it is. So I'm happy with this little knife. It's beautiful. And it feels comfortable in my hand, which is nice because I have pretty large hands, as you can see. And here you have a little bit of a jumper on this side, and jumping space here for your thumb, which is nice. So this feels really comfortable in my hand. And this is my new prepper item I bought, and I paid $400 for it, so it's not bad price, affordable. And I'm usually a brand guy when it comes to knives, like Mora, Falkniven, Cold Steel, United Cutlery, that types of knives. But it's my first Smith & Wesson knife, so this one will be one of my backup knives. So I like the design on the handle as well. So You can think this handle is too small, and it would feel uncomfortable, but it's not. And you have a little bit of here, so you can have your thumb here. It feels really comfortable. So you have the same thing here. So that's all for today's video, guys. And if you're a new subscriber, new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. And don't forget my live stream on Saturday, 8 p.m. my time, 7 p.m. UK time, 2 p.m. Eastern time, and 1 p.m. Central time. So that's all I had for today's video. Take care, stay safe, be part of the solution, not the problem. Stay safe, God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.